Today, we will learn how to log into WordPress and edit a page using Hosting, the WordPress editor, and Elementor. First, go to the Hostinger website and log in using the email you used to purchase the hosting. Next, click on the Manage button as shown in your hosting email. Click on the Manage button again. Now, we go to the Admin panel. In front of us, WordPress is open. As you can see, Elementor is working. We can now edit our page. Follow and subscribe to Optimax Agency for more technical and informative videos.